Hello, this is a brief overview of the Forex Money Management Spreadsheet. My name is Joe. Let's run through it really quick. Here's what it looks like. The only things you really need to edit are the things in the light blue. The beginning of the month balance, which you initially deposited or what your account is at the beginning of the month. The max pips you are willing to lose per trade, and the trades themselves. So let's look over here. This per pip calculator is the bread and butter of this spreadsheet. If we come over to our trade, and let's say I think maybe this trade's going to go up to this previous support line, which may become resistance now, and I'm thinking that's 120 pips or so that I'm expecting to win. What you want to do with this spreadsheet, Forex Money Management, isn't determine what you're expecting to win. You determine where you're willing to lose. So I put the support line right here. And let's say it has a potential of coming down here. If it breaks out, I want to get out. That's 60 pips, as you can see. So what you do is you put 60 over here. I'm willing to lose at least 60 pips. I don't want to lose more than 1.5% of my account per trade. So my pip value I'm going to place is 13 cents a pip. You can't put in 13 cents in MetaTrader, so you have to round it up or down. I'm going to round down safely to 10 cents per pip. So let's say we win it at 10 cents per pip. It goes up 120. You're going to win $12 on this trade. So you put in $12. It shows up as 2.4. If you lost negative 60, then you're gonna lose negative 6, around $6, which is 1.2% of your trades per day. So let's assume you do your 12. It adds up our total here. The next trade is negative 6. It adds up your total, gives you your daily average. Now let's say you're doing a much safer trade. It's consolidating up here. You think it might break down and come to either that resistance line or that support line or this resistance line. So we're going to say, I don't care. We're going to take profit either here or there. We'll just shoot for here right now. But what you're willing to lose is going to be pretty minimal on this consolidation. I don't think it's going to break this line. I think it's going to come down is what I would say on this trade. So let's say that our risk value, we're willing to let it go at least 17 pips. So you put 17 here. I want to do 1.5% of my account on this trade. That way if I lose 3 in a row, I'm still under my max daily loss of 5%. So I'm going to do 45 cents a trade. Can't do 45 cents, so I would do either 40 or 50 if I think it's a really good trade. So at 50 cents a trade, it comes down to 65 pips, and I get out. So what you do is you do your 65 pips times 50 cents. I just made $32 on that trade. If I would have went low to the stop loss, I would have been within my 5% daily trade. So that's the benefits of this system. Let's assume we've been trading for a while. I put in these 3 days. If you're sticking to your daily goal of a max of 5% loss, then you see here on the 10th, as soon as you hit that 4.7, you get out, you stop for the day, you go to the next day. Everything's auto-calculated. You can see the beginning of the balance here is carried over from this place and continued on to your first trade. It adds that onto the next day, so now it's 510. You lost some, you're down to 46, you're up to 546. It gives you your daily average right here, your monthly total right here. Everything is as simple as can be. So what you do is you take your original sheet, you save it as whatever month you want. Every single month you do this. Everything's easy to keep track of, and most importantly, it's safe and it's easy. Again, the Forex Money Management Spreadsheet, go and get it today. It's going to save you lots of hassle. It's a wonderful spreadsheet. It's easy to use. It's a really good reference tool. Thanks for visiting again. My name is Joe, and I hope you enjoy.